Yeah, I'm hard at work. At least I'm supervising. Turning shit to sugar and sugar to shit and have fun doing it. Like I said, I came here straight out the Illinois Department of Corrections in 1991. I'm an artist and I get shit done. And I use a toilet called Public Accommodations Act. Alright? Public Accommodations Act. I'm going to give you a Bible story. Remember the story of, what? The coat of many colors? When they threw David in the well? Or Joseph in the well? The story of Joseph in the well? Well, that's what y'all did to me. You sent me to jail. You sent me to jail for nothing. Just for being black. Same way you did Joseph. Remember the story of Moses? Alright? When Moses wanted to leave Egypt? Well, we've been here for 400 years and, yeah, we want to leave America. We want to do some Marcus Garvey. We want to take black out of America since you don't want black people here. We're going to do it through the legal lens. Through the legal lens. So President Trump, since you want to talk about the Bible, let's talk about David versus Goliath when David used the slingshot. Let's talk about Samson and Delilah, because we know you love them women. Through the legal lens, we're going to talk about what you know. We ain't talking about Epstein. We're talking about the money you make off black bodies. The way you want to erase our existence. Through the legal lens. Alright? This is to prove I was making a documentary, a movie about your judicial system. That's notarized. That's 2012. Commode Emotion. Y'all made me famous for toilets. So President Trump, you passed your executive order, freedom of speech. Alright? Freedom of speech on your first day in office. You signed that off. So we're going to go with the Westboro Baptist Church. I want the same freedoms that you give the Westboro Baptist Church. I want them. My freedom of speech. I already beat you in court with a toilet. I beat you in court with a toilet in September 2011. I took 3 toilets to court and I asked the jury, which toilet did you lock me up for? I was found innocent of all charges. You feel me? That's Natasha Diggs from the Public Defender's Office, the state of Maryland. So like I said, I exhausted my remedies under the law. So I want a trial. I'm a weaver in Baltimore, weaving the social fabric for social justice, social media for social change. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. We're talking about the new Jim Crow. And that's what we got here. And he using the Bible to do it. So I'm going to use the Bible for my freedom. Because when you came to Africa, you used the Bible to enslave us. I'm not Kunta Kinte. I'm Kunta Kinte. I'm not Toby. Remember that. I still know who I am. So President Trump, everything you got, justice upholds the Westboro Baptist freedom of speech. So we're going to take this diary to the Department of Justice. We're going to take this diary to the Supreme Court. We're going to take this diary wherever we got to go. And we're going to take that Bible with it. We're going to talk about the new Jim Crow. And until we get there, I'm going to be building these toilets to bring awareness to what's going on. It's a time to pee. Did you use the toilet today? Well, Mr. Trone did. And Mr. Trone got my evidence. Yeah. I ain't forgot who you are and I ain't forgot what you are. Alright? So bring that evidence that I gave you. That picture of Shorty. Make sure you don't destroy that evidence. And wash your hands when you finish. When you finish, flush.